everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be doing something that's pretty different. I'm going to be doing something that I assume I have never done before, because today we're going to be trying to bake some cookies. We have the ingredients here: butter, sugar,
a little butter, flour, sugar,
of course eggs. You can't go wrong with eggs. Vanilla extract, flour, baking soda,
salt,
and of course chocolate chips. Okay, so let's go baking.
oh, roll up your sleeves, it's time to bake.
I listed down the instructions, so yeah. I think it's best I melt the butter first. Next we need our red flour, 1 cup. Inside of our sifter, 1. It's not gonna. Okay, next step, each of each. Cooking dark.
That still works.
Real? There you go.
Baby,
1/3. Oh wow, this is really a cookie dough.